To take your data protection to a professional level, let's map a network share from your NAS to hold automated backups. Click on Data Center at the top of your sidebar, go to Storage, click 80, and select SMB CIFS. Give it an ID like NAS backups. Type in the exact IP address of your NAS and input your share credentials. Proxmox will automatically read the server and populate the share drop-down menu, so select your backup folder. Under the Content drop-down, select Backups and ISO Images, then click Add. Now click on the Backups tab inside Data Center. Click Add, select your new NAS storage as the target. Check the box next to your new VM. Set a weekly cron schedule, leave the compression on the optimized default settings, and click Save. To test it immediately, select the new backup job and click Run Now to send a full snapshot copy straight to your network storage.